Hello mga antikadayers! Welcome back to the vlog. Ayan, nag-impake ng inyong antikels kasi biyahe natin mamaya. So, aalis na tayo mga inday. See you soon, Pilipinas. And nag-ready lang ako sa aking mga kagamitan. Ayan, mga gamot, mga etc. na yan mga inday, hopefully na hindi tayo over bagahe, no? And then ito yung i-backpack ko. Tapos yan. And ang anuhin namin ngayon is mag-wait lang kami sa oras. And siguro mamaya lalabas tayo kakain kay ang weather din mga auntie, oh, hindi maganda. Ay nako. So, magpahinga kami. Nag-shower ako. Para fresh lang. Fresh lang ang inyong antikels. Ayan. Punta na kami sa airport. Ayun, kawawa naman si Dudong na eh. I go first, yeah. Yung airport kasi dito is walking lang siya, day. So, maglakad lang kami. Hindi pa kasi mainit. Kaya pa ng power ko. So, balik ako mamaya, ha? Pagdating namin sa airport. So, ayan mga antikadayers. We're in the airport. And
I'm not an anti-horse.
And tapos na kami sa immigration. I have something to tell you about. I-share ko lang ha. Kasi dito sa kanila mga jay, may ano na sila, may kining dito kasi sa Bali, mayroon na silang automatic na ano ba yung tawag dito, automatic check-in, automatic immigration, and then kining isa kay na lost and found shower. What I'm gonna do here? I have to shout then, look at to the camera. And then take out your hat. I don't know if did you hear me.
They put the camera 1 meter over your head where nobody can see it. Why they do that, you know? I was looking for fingerprint scanning or whatever they want for the next door, yeah? And then up there, there's a camera up there. Why don't they put this down where people can see it, you know? And smile. And then the door opened after I smiled, big smile. Then the door opened. Wow, finished immigration. As I said, I have to take the glasses off.
You did? You still have to take out there?
Yeah. First I tried to smile with glasses. Oh no, cannot recognize
but
me.
You have your hat.
Without glasses, can recognize me.
Amazing, yeah. And then he said before, oh, it's amazing because they have all this high-tech now. And now, yeah, it's very amazing, Jude.
Yeah, if they could standardize it, immigration in Bangkok, they put the camera down where you can actually see it and make your thumb smile, you know, and you are done, yeah? They put the camera up where nobody can see it. Where's the camera? So smart.
But everything is good, mga ante. Mabilis lang rin yung proseso. And then walang masyadong sa pag-check-in lang namin, hinanapan si Dodong ng return ticket. Tapos sabi ko, hindi siya siguro magstay kami matagal doon. So wala kaming return ticket. So hiningan kami ng any papers. And then merit certificate yung pinakita ko sa kanya. So yun yung na-approve. And then everything is okay. Ay, nangyari dito din. And then so ngayon, punta na tayo sa boarding, my love. You have to go to the boarding.
Yeah, if you want to go to Philippines, you need to go to boarding.
Yeah, I go to the...
She got it all figured out.
We have to walk now. So, Yes mga inday, hindi ako kanina nag-vlog doon kay baka kasi bawal bawal mag video so masita tayo. Ito kami ngayon sa coffee shop, Bali Sky Cafe. Ayun, Bali Sky Cafe.
No, it's warm enough.
And then they have Celine Dion, Chloe, best friend ni Chucky, Charis. Tignan nyo, meron silang ano.
First time I hear Christmas song. I think it will go crazy when we land in Cebu. It will be all Christmas jingle bells, you know.
Yeah, you better ready your coins. Here, Christmas na dito, day. Ang gini si Dodong, day, oy. Hindi kabot daw niya sa Pilipinas. All Christmas daw. Wala kasi silang ano dito, pero you know, it's very creative. Asa mang gate na to? Ani gate number? Nagtinuyok-tuyok man ta diri day. Gutomon po ta ani diri. It make me feel hungry. Yeah.
Look at the bamboo
Yeah.
mushroom or whatever they call it.
Bamboo mushroom is like Singapore. Ah, ka-cute sa Christmas tree. Uy, there's a kuan oh. Ligong dance. Alam niyo ba na humingi ako ng tubig doon sa Kuanday restaurant? Kasi pagpapasok ka sa immigration, bawal kasi magdala ng liquid. So di, naghingi ako ng tubig dayo eh.
Comfortable seating.
Oh yeah, it's also nice.
But I read that it's not a good idea to go to the gate too early because then you catch the attention of the people.
The number 3 is just down the...
You catch the attention of the people notifying your packs, the size and weight. At least if you go early to the gate, you should not sit near the people who check the passport.
Number 3. Because I need to lay down.
But we can do that.
Why not 3? They're always over there. Gate na tayo mga inday. Gate number 3. Daming ano oh. Croissant. Okay, kalami sa croissant dahil. Okay, kalami sa cake oh. It's dangerous. Ako ang book reader oh. Look, this Taylor Swift there. Look, that's Taylor Swift there. So, ayan, nandito na ako ngayon sa gate mga auntie. Ay, ang Hintayin ko lang si Dodong dito dahil kay gusto kong mag-lay down. Sakit akong ulo kay kagabi wala ko tarong tulog juday. And then ang ano kasi yung wala may blanket ambot naglagot si Dodong kagabi sa among i-check-inan sa kadali-dali manggod to ba. Daming mga ano dito. Perfume. I love. Ayan na guys, boarding na mga ante. So, waiting na lang kami dito ni Dodong. Papasok na kami ngayon sa loob. Pero ang dami kasing nakalinya, so antay muna tayo ng saglit. Tara na. Tara, let's. My love. Bye.
For Mr. Jose Sebastião Sequeira Reis Mao Pereira, Citylink QG 500 passengers leaving for Delhi. Please report through check-in counter.
Hagdan yan, friend. Hagdan.
Thank you. See you soon, Philippines. Hala, day, kailangan na to. Kailangan ko si Dodong, my love. Uy, hey, hey, hey. Bye, Bali. See you next time. There's a big plane there.
Good morning to all our guests and welcome aboard this flight. This is flight 5J280 and we are bound for Manila, Philippines. Only guests for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. And as a safety reminder, please remain on your assigned seats. Kindly avoid transferring of seats. This is for the weight and balance of this aircraft.
Where are you going?
Once again, for the weight
Denmark?
and balance of
You're
this
snowing up
aircraft,
there.
kindly remain on your assigned seat. And may we request such as flags, numbers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage. And when opening the bins, this is to prevent items from
Where did you put the tablet?
spilling. Likewise, to maximize the space
Where
that
did you
we
put the
have in the
tablet?
overhead bins, kindly place your
Personnel, please disembark now. Cabin crew, stand by.
I love you.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Wait to more fun.
cabin crew, please armor doors for departure and cross-check.
So man siya. Sige mo na siya chisi. Naon sa gina siya Zay sa mga nakaintindi gidana day no. Hapon, pumunta kami sa restaurant and then alam niyo ako anong sinabi niya day? Sabi pa niya,
Turn the camera right like this.
sabi pa niya, do you have fried egg cheese? Joke ka dong. So daot.
May request everyone to please remain seated as your cabin crew will be conducting their safety demonstration.
Tignan niyo. Mabuhay Pilipinas. Ang isa oh. Picture agad. So, hello mga auntie.
We take a picture of me
Of you?
from here. And I go over there.
Yeah, but I cannot with my... So, ayan mga... Wala man is yan na. Hoy, wait, sabi. Da... Okay, let's go. Tara na dong. Ayun, na kayo mo sakay rakaan na inigamot yung dito. Natago mong kag pinaabtik sa jeep. That's the bahay kubo. Oh. Hala! The closet of Milda Marcos. Ang closet ni Milda Marcos.
Is Melda Marcos shoes here or not? I don't see.
No. Baguhan just uncle ninyo day. So, meron kaming transfer pa Cebu. Mamayang alas 3 pa naman. So, hanapin namin kung saan yung transfer or connecting nila day. My love, this one bao, I think it will come out. So, hello mga ante. Ayan, andito kami sa restaurant. Ano kami ng pagkain. Si Dodong to, nagpila siya dahil siya akong ipapila dito kay mura kong nalipong. Lipong kuskuan kining. Lipong kong tinuyok sa airport dahil. In the wall. So wala pa ang aming ano dai kining gate number. Departure. Asa ka mga gate diri dai? Tapos na si Dodong nagpa-massage jud siya dai. Siya na gyud ang nagpa-massage. Let's go. Hanapin natin yung gate. GTV. Daming tao dito, day. Ang tanong, asan ang gate dito, day? So, ayan, nandito na kami sa boarding, mga day, sa gate. Ang isa. Give me my bag, B. Give it to me. Oh. So ayan na Jai, nandito na kami sa eroplano. Na ako i-share sa inyo. Ayaw jud mo palit og mahal nga ticket dahil dili worth it. So it's not worth it. I pay the expensive ticket. I should just buy the cheap one because it's still we have to flying around in the airport anyway. So there's no other way. Nag-book ako ng ticket para gusto ko diretso na ang flight o diretso na ang sa tawagan ni di niya mag-check-in ba?
13 hours from hotel to hotel. Wow. It's not that.
And then ang ending dai gipalabas paghapon mi gipaagi immigration, gipa-check-in, gipa kuan aning mga bagahe ay ginuo ko kalapad uy. Yan yung iniwasan ko kasi hassle kaayo sa kanang labi na sa mga lalo na sa mga bagahe, mga antique, mga bagahe tapos tanggal yung mga ganito namin mga gamit namin, yung mga gadget ipalapas and then diya baya mag-ending dahil nga mga wala dahil dyan baya mawawala yung mga kagamitan natin.
All guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to
Kanina
perform the functions described in case of
akong mapaaway.
emergency, please ask the cabin
Nasigawan
crew
ko
to
si
rescue.
kanina si ate kasi nagpatuyok-tuyok kami naghanap sa immigration. Ay, what did I look, my love? You know when we get inside to the boarding area?
All I know is that before, when you travel, you did the immigration manually, you stand in line for 1 hour and it's finished, maximum 1 hour, yeah? And then you fill in the custom declaration on a piece of paper in the airplane, yeah? Total time spent about 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Now you do 5 double everything in time. She spent whole day yesterday doing the custom declaration online electronically and with barcodes and bullshit and more bullshit, and then in the airport same additional to what we do manually before that came around. Yeah.
Kailangan ulitin.
So now we spent what would you say about
More than 5 hours.
10 times, 8 to 10 times more time for just immigration and custom declaration as before. And then they call it progress.
This is 5J58.
I call it regress.
Only guests for this flight must be on.
So, hello! Welcome Cebu! Welcome Cebu, my love. Tignan nyo. May paano sila dyan.
Wala siya kasi alam naman natin, nakakomenta naman. Wala siya
Oh my God! My flowers. Uy, hala, lechon! My love, lechon. Exit taxi. Is there? There. There. Police. Macau. So, hanap tayo ng taxi day. Kailangan namin magbabilisan. Kasi kailangan pa namin pumunta sa mall.
We charged 800 and then it was raining and blah blah and we ended up on 1200 pesos, right?
Yeah. So, ayan mga ante, hanap muna kami ng taxi na. Okay. Ay, inita, uy. So, hello mga day. Ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Cebu. And, uy, grabe ka jet lag. Uy, ginoo ko, kabilar ba? Hopefully, wala ko yung traffic dahil kailangan namin apason ang Robinson nga open pa. Ay, uy, my love, I miss Philippines.
Huh?
I miss Philippines. I can feel now that I'm in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Because I see a lot of Filipino.
Ah, really? Yeah, that could be why.
S-West. Money changer. Si Kuya, oh. Ano guys, 745 or something. Yung ano, yung sa taxi. Okay naman siya, pang hanap buhay. Car truck. What?
Too cold.
You want this one?
No, I just
Oh. Sana maabutan pa namin ang Robinson, oy. Kailangan namin
Last days pa lang sirado, ma'am.
Ay, 10 pa dahil sila. Ingon ni ate, alas 8 daw.
Alas 8 dahil ko, no?
Oo,
Sa man nga Robinson nga.
katong sa puente. Katong sa circle.
Oh, kana nga Robinson, dili tong Cybergate.
Osminia Circle.
Osmeña Circle.
There are 2 Robinsons there, sir. Robinson.
Hello mga Jai. Ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa... Andito kami ngayon mga auntie sa Robinson. Finally, naabutan pa din namin mga inday na open pa sila. So, ang oras daw mag-close sila is alas 10. O, diba? Hala, nag-wonder ko kung what time sila magbukas. Bukas. Tanungin ko muna. And then baka iiwan namin tong isa kabagahin namin dito kung musugot ba sila. Kaya para hindi kami magbit-bit-bit-bit nito. But yes, pagkatapos ito mga ante, magkain kami. And then, si Dodong mag-coffee. Ako kakain, mag-coffee. Lahat kainin ko mga inday. And then gusto ko pupunta doon sa food court kasi marami silang mga pagkain doon. Let's see lang kung gusto ko bang pupunta talaga, no? Kasi ang dami, may mga malita pa kaming dala dahil. And then, if hindi, then dyan na lang tayo. May Jollibee naman dyan. May Jollibee at KFC naman dyan. So, pwede dyan na lang tayo. Or either, si Dodong gusto niyang kumain sa Pizza Hut dahil. Kaya na-miss niya daw yung Pizza Hut. So, nag-ano siya na hypnotize siya sa Pizza Hut. So, pagkatapos ito, kain and then balik kami sa room. And then, yeah, nagpasukat lang si Dodong. So, ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Pizza Hut dito sa Puente Pension. Puente Pension. sa Robinson Circle, Osmeña. Unsa na siya diha day. Nawa na isa oh. O niyang gidalik-dalian og balik diri day. Hello sir. Welcome back to the Philippines. Welcome back to your pizza. Pizza Supreme.
Yeah, let's hope for some good weather.
Oh.
Then we're gonna stay 2 months.
Oh, 3 months. Stay 3 months daw siya dayo. 3 months, 2 months.
No, I said 2 months.
2 months. Hope so. So, pagkatapos namin kumain, punta kami sa hotel. And then, yes, mga auntie. And then, maglakad-lakad tayo mamaya doon sa labas kung kaya pa ng ating asawa. Pero feel na ko, ano ni, kikapoy na ni Day, napapagod na ito. Uy, grabe naman yung nangyari sa amin sa airport, Day, uy. As in, muntik kong maaway si ate doon sa airport. Kasi napatuyok-tuyok ako Day, naghanap sa immigration kasi wala kahit isang sign. Ay, Ginoo. Or so many Christmas light outside. So, ayan mga ante, andito na kami sa room. Dito kami nag-check-in sa Fuente Pension. Ang room na nabayad namin, alam nyo ba magkano? $30 siya. Pero medyo mahal jud siya Day compare sa mga room na iniistihan namin doon sa ano. Tapos ang ingay. Ang ingay Day, pero andito kasi kami sa center. Ha?
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding